Imagine having a professional-grade videographer at your fingertips, always ready to capture your most precious moments. That's the power of the DJI Neo, a tiny yet mighty drone that packs a punch in terms of features and performance. The DJI Neo is a newly released drone that redefines what a compact aerial camera can do. Is this the best budget drone of 2024? Let's find out. DJI's most compact, lightweight, and budget-friendly self-flying drone yet, weighing in at just 135 grams. It's not just a drone, it's your personal flying camera, packed with intelligent features and cutting-edge AI technology. No remote? No problem. The DJI Neo takes off and lands directly from your palm. Simply press the mode button, select your desired shooting mode, and Neo does the rest. Whether indoors or outdoors, this little drone flies with ease, capturing stunning footage, all without a remote controller. Thanks to its advanced AI subject tracking, DJI Neo follows your every move, ensuring you're always in the frame. It's like having your own cameraman. With 6 intelligent shooting modes, including quick shots like Orbit, Rocket, and Droney, you can create cinematic moments with just a tap. The DJI Neo does all the work for you, delivering professional quality shots from unique perspectives. No need to carry around an extra remote. With Neo, your smartphone does all the heavy lifting. Connect via Wi-Fi, control it using virtual joysticks, and set the tracking angle and distance, all from the DJI Fly app. You can even wake up the app with a simple command, "Hey Fly." Despite its small size, the DJI Neo punches above its weight when it comes to video quality. With a 1/2-inch image sensor, you can shoot crisp 12-megapixel stills and stunning 4K UHD videos at 30 FPS. Plus, its Rocksteady and horizon balancing tech ensures smooth, stabilized footage, even in high winds or fast-moving shots. Built to withstand up to level 4 wind conditions, the DJI Neo is perfect for those on-the-go adventures. And with 22 gigabytes of internal storage, you can record up to 40 minutes of 4K video, or 55 minutes in 1080p, no SD card required. Forgot your data cable? No worries. Transfer your footage instantly via Wi-Fi and get it ready for editing or sharing in no time. Looking for a more immersive experience? Pair the DJI Neo with DJI Goggles 3 or the RC Motion 3 for FPV-style flight. You'll even get a 10-kilometer video transmission range when paired with the DJI RC N3 remote controller, letting you explore farther than ever. And for those tight, tricky maneuvers, Neo's compact design and precise controls make it the perfect indoor flyer. Worried about losing your drone? The Neo's return to home feature ensures it always comes back safely, even in tricky conditions. Its infrared and monocular vision system helps it hover steadily, so you can fly with confidence. Capture your world from a new perspective with the DJI Neo, the lightweight, ultra-portable drone that fits in your pocket but delivers big on performance. At just $199, it's the most budget-friendly way to elevate your creativity. So, is the DJI Neo the best budget tiny self-flying drone? With palm takeoff, AI-powered tracking, stunning 4K video, and multiple control options, it's hard to beat at just $199. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner, Neo makes capturing cinematic shots easier than ever. Light, portable, and powerful, the DJI Neo is your ultimate budget-friendly companion for every adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to grab the DJI Neo, or if you have any questions.